we're going to catch them just like we've been doing and saving them and putting them back in their pen. It's going to take a few days, might be a few weeks. It's never going into the old bull, or it's never going into the floorboard, but never did. No, we're back all 60 years old. We're monitoring it and making sure that we can paddle from my house, drive here, and then lasso the gators and tie them up. They're beautiful. And we've lost an entire ecosystem. All the mammals are there is no place to go, so the death is horrible. It's going to take years. It's going to take years. We're going to need a lot of help to restock it and put it back.